Hi, this is Devopriya with me, my colleague Ahul. So we are happy and excited to showcase this lovely home to you all. Welcome to CV Design Studio.
Kitchen is important part of the home, where we made a breakfast counter with a nice sticker to give a beautiful look for the kitchen. Basically, it was an open kitchen where we had made a breakfast counter. It's like a multi-purpose unit. From the front side, we will be having a nice looking decorative unit. In the back side, we are having a storage unit. Kitchen is of a laminate finish, which is in L-shaped. In kitchen, we had used the tandem drawers with soft closures, and we had made a tall unit with the provision of micro oven. The wow factor in the kitchen is the tile spot. For tile selection, we had gone through a lot of selection process and we had finalized on the subway tiles which matches with the theme. The best part of the home is the foyer area where we had made a eye-catching design on the wall, which is made up of a CNC cutting, and we had done a deco finish on that. And below that we had given a nice louver shutters for storage purpose.
So now we are at the living and dining area, and this is one of our favorite area of this home. And you can see the continuity of the molding from backspace of sofa till the dining area, which create a lovely ambience. And I guess to create this continuity of the molding, it gets difficult, or we have faced many challenges while execution. So I must ask Obul that how his experience was.
Yeah, actually it was a tough time when we were doing the execution. We are having COVID restrictions and there was a labor shortage and everything. So, but we had got a lot of support from the homeowners and the management also. So we planned the things in a way such that we can complete the work in a good finishing and without any issues.
In living area, we made TV unit which a mixture of Duco and veneer finish. We have given a nice ledge in the TV unit, and also we have customized the sofas and 2 armchairs. We went for the fabric selection and did all the process to give the best look. We also did the false ceiling with grooves to make the continuity from this living space to dining area. In the dining area, we made a CNC mirror inside the molding, which we did the customization to get the same as per 3Ds.
In master bedroom, we had done a nice texture paint on the headboard wall, which gives an attraction to the bedroom. And in master bedroom, we had used the laminate finish, and we had done a bed with a wood finish. And we had done a rafters in the ceiling, which gives a nice design. Once we enter into the master bedroom, we will be having a walk-in closet. In walk-in closet, there is a door which was replicated the same for the washroom door, which it will not looks like a washroom door.
So now we are at guest bedroom, and we have created a beautiful puja unit with a wardrobe, and we have created a acrylic sheet backside with a lightning. We used laminate finish for wardrobe with sliding doors with full mirror on one side, and bed was done with wood.
Hello everyone, welcome to CV Design Studio. If you like my home, please like, share and subscribe.